Hi, grade 1, how are you? Okay, our session today will be about the possible and impossible. The possible and impossible. What's the meaning of these two words? The possible and impossible. Possible and impossible. For example, grade 1. I have the colors red and blue. Red and blue. And I want to color with the red. Can I color with the red? Yeah, because I have the color red. So it's possible to color with the red. So the word possible here means I can do it. I can do it. I can color with the color red because I have the red. Okay, for example, I want to color with black, but I don't have the black. I don't have the color black. Okay, is it possible to color with the black? No, we call this impossible. I can't color with black because I don't have black. I have only red and blue. I cannot color with black. We call this impossible. It is impossible to color with black because I don't have black. Okay, so the word possible here means I can do it. Okay, the word impossible means I cannot do it. For example, it is possible or impossible to pull a red bear from the bag. Circle the answer. For example, here in question number 1, we have this bag. Inside this bag, we have a red bears and yellow bears. Red bears and yellow bears. Okay, is it impossible or impossible to pull red bear? Can I pull red bear from this bag? Yeah, I can. I can because I have inside this bag red bears. So this is possible. We said that the possible means I can, and impossible means I cannot pull a red bear. But here I can pull red bear from this bag because I have red bears inside this bag. So I can pull red bear. I can means it's possible. I can pull red bear. Okay, question 2. Can I pull a red bear from this bag? Can I? Yeah, I can. I can because here I have the red bears and blue bears. Okay, so this is possible to pull a red bear. We said the word possible means I can do it, and the word impossible means I cannot do it. Okay, if I asked you from this bag, can I pull a black bear? Can I pull a black bear? No, I cannot pull a black bear. I cannot pull a black bear. Why? Because I don't have black bears inside this bag. So this is possible to pull? No, impossible. Impossible to pull a black bear. Okay. Question 3. We have inside this bag yellow bears and blue bears. Yellow bears and blue bears. Okay, is it possible to pull a red bear inside from this bag? Is it possible or impossible? Can I pull red bear from this bag? Can I? No, I can't. Why? Because I don't have red bears inside this bag. I don't have any red bears inside this bag. So I cannot pull a red bear. So I cannot make it. So it will be impossible to pull a red bear because I don't have a red bear inside this bag. But if I asked you, can I pull a yellow bear from this bag? Yeah, I can. This is possible to pull a yellow bear because I have yellow bears inside this bag. Okay, question 4. Can I pull a red? The question here, is it possible or impossible to pull a red bear? The question here is for all the questions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Is it possible or impossible to pull a red bear? Is it possible or impossible? Can I pull a red bear from this bag? Yeah, I can, because here I have only one red bear, so I can pull this red bear. So is it possible or impossible? Is it possible? If you can do it, that means it will be possible. If you cannot make it, it will be impossible. Okay? Okay, the next one. Color the cubes to make each sentence true. Okay, here we have sentences, not questions. A normal sentence, you will read the sentence and color the cube according to this sentence. Okay, sentence number 1. He told you that it is possible to pull a red cube. It is possible. That means you can pull a red cube. Okay, these all cubes are white. He told you that it is possible. That means you have to color a red bear, a red cube. Yeah, you have to color at least one cube with red. You can color 2, 3, 4, but the important thing here to have a red cube, okay? He told me here this is it's possible to pull red cube. That means I should to make at least one cube with red. Okay, you can make 2, 3, 4, but the important thing that you have to make one cube at least with red. Okay. Question 2. It is impossible to pull a yellow cube. It is impossible. He didn't ask you. He told you that this is impossible. You cannot pull a yellow cube. So you will not have any yellow cubes here. So if you want to color the cubes with any color except the yellow. Because he told you this is impossible to pull a yellow cube. So if you want to color the cubes, okay, except the yellow. I want to color, for example, with red. Okay, you can color. Okay, I will make 2 cubes with white. I will color this with red. So this bag matches with this sentence. This is impossible to pull yellow cube. That means I don't have any yellow cubes inside this bag. Okay, question number 3. It is impossible to pull a blue cube. It is impossible. Impossible, that means I cannot pull a blue cube. I cannot pull a blue cube. There is no blue cubes here. So if you want to color using any color except the blue. You cannot color any cube here with blue. If you want to leave them white, okay. If you want to color with red, with yellow, with black, as you want, except the blue, because he told you here impossible. That means you cannot pull a blue cube from this bag. Okay, the last question here is, it is possible to pull a green cube or a red cube. It is possible. That means you can pull you can pull green cube and red cube. That means if you want to color, you will color here cubes with red and cubes with green, because he told you that you can pull a green cube and red cube. So here We will color these cubes with green. This one, I will color it with green. This is the first one. This is the first one. And the second one will be like this. And the third one. So if he told you, is it possible? That means you can pull green cube and red cube. So you will color the cubes here with red and green. If he told you it is impossible, impossible means you cannot. It is impossible to pull a yellow cube. That means you cannot pull a yellow cubes. There are no yellow cubes inside this bag, so you will color the cubes here with any color except yellow. You cannot color with yellow because he told you it's impossible. Okay? Okay, great one. This is our session for today. We learned the words, the possible and impossible. We said that the possible means I can do it. Impossible means I cannot do it or I cannot make it. So this is our session for today. I hope you understand. If you have any question, ask me in the extra care sessions. Thank you, grade 1. Bye-bye.